Hey y'all, this is Vanity. So I'm coming to you with an unboxing. I haven't done one in a while, and I think that this AliExpress vendor definitely went a little bit you know, extra. So I decided to show you what you're gonna get if you order from this company, which is Tinashe Hair. And again, like I said, this is an AliExpress vendor, so this is gonna be an affordable review coming soon. Okay, so this is just the unboxing. I'm showing you everything you get, packaging, as well as bundles and closure. Okay, so this is the packaging, which is just a little different. It's like a baggie. You could definitely use this later to store whatever you like. You can store your wig, you can store your bundles, you can store products, makeup, anything you would like. But this is the bag. I thought it was pretty cute. And then inside you get some extras. So you get some flexi rods. You also get some beauty blenders and some clips for your hair, like duck clips, which I thought was really cute. Everything is like pretty much you know, girly. The colors are very, very vibrant. Then you get like this this bow. It's like a hair tie, just in case you want to put your hair in a pony. You get a pair of lashes. These lashes are very, very thin and natural, and definitely these are synthetic for anyone who just wants to play around with trying to wear lashes for the first time. That would be perfect for you. You also get a wig cap, which is the net one in black. You get a pamphlet that tells you about the quality of the hair, as well as Tinashe Hair, what they sell on their site, and of course they tell you about just the hair when washing it, after you're washing it, and maintenance. And last but not least, as far as the extras, you get like a little pocket mirror. And this pocket mirror is so heavy duty. If I throw this at you, you're gonna get a concussion. But I thought it was really cute. So this is so high quality. It has a magnified side as well as a regular like mirror, and this is definitely perfect. I'm going to put it in one of my purses. I like to keep these in my purses for when I'm out. So the packaging on the hair is pretty basic. This is how it comes in the plastics. I'm gonna take it out so I can show you the pattern, as well as the hair, the wefts, shedding, all of that good stuff. So please stay tuned. So here is a look at the bundles, and sis, do y'all see this pattern? This is absolutely gorgeous. This is the Brazilian loose deep, and it is so pretty. Like, this is so gorgeous. I could literally see this in my hair already. Like, this looks like wand curls. This is gorgeous. Look at the ends of the hair, just so pretty. So I have two bundles of 26, 24, 22, and then I have a matching 20-inch lace closure over here. So yeah, these are the bundles, and as you can see, they are a good amount. Okay, so these are 100% virgin human hair, original virgin unprocessed human hair, and their slogan is beauty starts from the natural hair. Okay, so it says that you should be able to perm this hair, bleach this hair, as well as dye this hair because it is virgin. So that's a good thing. That probably will loosen the pattern. I want to see what this looks like naturally, so I cannot wait to install this hair. So let's just open up one of the bundles. I like to open up the longest bundle because you get to see how long the weft really is, as well as I always start with the longest bundles when I'm creating my wig units. So let's just open it up. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to just unroll because it's not tangling, even though the curl pattern was very, 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 well, wave pattern was very tight because it was all, you know, going in one direction. So I'm not getting tangling so far. And as you go, this is about, it's less than arm's length, definitely, but I like this amount when I am doing a wig, because when the wefts are too long, I like to single my wefts. When the wefts are too long, it makes it harder for people to be able to fit their bundles on their wigs. I personally don't have a problem fitting up to like 7, 8, well, up to 8 bundles on a wig, but some people have a hard time. So this is what the wave pattern looks like once you unravel it. And as you can see, it is really pretty, and it definitely looks like wand curls in my opinion. I hope it keeps the same pattern once I go in and make my wig and wash the hair, because I don't like to install my wigs without washing the hair. So here is a look at the wefting, and it is double wefted, so you could go in and cut the wefts. You could go in and split the wefts, but you don't really need to. I think that when you're sewing, this will be really, really flat. Even if you wanted to double the track and sew, I think it would still be flat, even though it does have a little tiny bit of thickness. But it looks pretty good. So if you wanted to do like a ponytail with this would be absolutely gorgeous. Like, I know that's in right now, like sleek brush back into a ponytail with this at the bottom, like, because I know it's like prom and graduation season. I think that would look really, really cute. And some people don't like to wear weaves and wigs in the summertime, so if you did want to do like a ponytail, I think that this would be the most gorgeous ponytail. Like, everybody will be asking you where you got that hair from. Okay, and this is the matching closure, and I'm pretty sure, see, it does match. Like, once you, like, you know, finger comb the closure out, it matches perfectly. Like, this is like one of the prettiest wave patterns I've gotten from AliExpress, so I'm very, very excited to see what this unit is going to look like. This lace is on a thin side, so if you did want to melt this into your skin by, you know, using some Got To Be glue gel, it would look very, very natural. So it looks pretty good, and it's like a nude color, like a it's still on a brownish side, but it's like a nude color. I think this is a good tone. If you wanted to go in and bleach the knots, of course you could. I don't bleach knots on my own you know, wigs, because I just don't see a point. It's just an extra step that, you know, even when people bleach knots, they still go in and use powder and stuff, so I just don't see a point in it, so I skipped that and I just put powder. But I'm very, very excited to see what this unit is gonna look like, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will have the links to Tinashe hair as well as the links to this hair down in the bottom bar for you. As always, if you have any questions or if you have tried this hair already, please feel free to comment down in the comments and I will get back to you. I thank you so much for watching. As always, thumbs this video up if you like it, comment, subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I have a new upload. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye, y'all.